Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of December 14, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, Everyday Now Live Trading Room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction to make some extra daily income and analyze swing trade stock price direction for my members so that they can get a bigger profit potential. Overall seasonal trend is still bullish. Last week the market is kind of sideways correction while waiting for the FDA to approve to use the Pfizer vaccine, and the stimulus package is still struggle to come up with the final agreement. Let's see how the market will do next week, and I will continue to update during the week, so make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you on a new update. The market will do whatever it wants to do. As a trader, we only focus on the price on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. As a trader, as long as the trend is still up, we will stick with the uptrend and manage them until it is not. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology so that you can buy with the high probability of winning a low risk trade. This is a only technical skill that you should learn before you start buying any stock, and you can manage your own financial future like 401k or IRA account. But we understand that it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful, and we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and you can ask and see how the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's look at the chart so that we can see more what I'm talking about. So first of all, let's look at the SPY chart. Okay, so this is the Spider SP 500 ETF chart. If you look at the chart here, like I told you since last week, the market go up, they hit resistance, they pull back, and then they try to test the previous resistance, they pull back down, they try to fill up the gap, and then they have a support at the 30-day moving average, and the buyer step back in and push it back up again. So this is a strong level of support, and the market seems like they will hold up here and continue to push it up at the end of the day, so they'll be able to break a short-term downtrend line. So the market, it seems like they continue to go up. Usually the people say that Christmas, the seasonal, traditional, they say Christmas rally. So hopefully that the market will continue to put it back to the upside. Tomorrow, if the market continue to put it back up, it means that the market will have more energy to put it to the upside. If you look at the Dow it also hold up pretty well. They pull back up, down a little bit on last 3 days, and then finally they'll be able to put it back up again. The Nasdaq is also very strong, and then every time they put down to the support, the buyer step back in and put it back up. So the trend is still up at this moment. The Russell 2000 is the small cap stock. They're doing very well, as you can see here. They hold up very tight. As long as the trend is still up, they still stay above the upper trend line, which will continue to put it to trade the upside. That's why you see a lot of small cap stock. They'll be able to push it up to the upside also. And bond, it have a problem when they hit to our sell zone here. They cannot punch through it, and then they pull back down right away. So right now, let's see that how far they can pull it back down. But the bond is coming down. It will have the market to push it back up. Oil, it still have a momentum to the upside, so they'll be able to break out the strong resistance here. So now become a support, and the oil still continue to push it back up to test the 48, 77 area there, and between 48, 77 and 51. Okay, that's the level of the sales on there. So we have to see where the market heading to. But definitely they still have some energy to put it to the upside there. The Bitcoin, it also gains momentum after they do sideways correction here, and then they'll be able to push it back up. They'll be able to break out a downtrend line. So right now, probably they try to pull it back and retest where they break out before they can find more momentum to put it upside. The euro is still going nowhere, so they come back, hit the sell zone, so they still have trouble to go higher. Look like if they break below the support here, they will continue to put it back down and retest the low bow there. Gold is going nowhere. As you can see, gold is trying to push it back up, at the support, but they hit the resistance, and now they start going sideways again. Okay, and if you look at the evening SP 500 after hours, you can see that on Friday in our live trading room, we'll be able to let our member that when the market is overnight, they push it down right to the buy zone. In the morning, they come back, they retest, the buyer step back in and push it back up, and to the end of the day, they'll be able to break a down trend line. And today, the market will push it back up. Tomorrow, if they'll be able to stay above the yellow line here, the market will find some momentum to the upside, or they have to come back to fill up the gap first before they continue to the upside. Either way, it seems like the market still have some room to go here. Let's see how strong the market is, how far they can go to the upside, because this is the all-time high here. So definitely the market, if they go up, they will test the all-time high there. And if you look at the stock every week that on the weekly market forecast, I look at some of the sector and to see which sector they're doing well and pick some strong stock in that sector so that we can analyze and to see how the chart look like every week, and then I update for you during the week. So the energy sector, as you can see, that they're still doing very well. That's the XLE. As you can see here, it's very strong. It still continue to put it up, and right now, you know, as long as it's still uptrend, we will stick for uptrend. So they're leading by a lot of stock like Chevron, as you can see here, CBX. Okay, let me see. Okay, OXY. Okay, so OXY, they're doing very well. Okay, Chevron. Okay, ExxonMobil, they're also doing well. PSX, Phillips 76, they're also doing well. XOB, so those stocks that we have been follows in the last couple of weeks. As you can see that since I told you the energy sector for the last couple of weeks, it continued to upside, and when they break out this level here and the momentum, it still continue to the upside. And semiconductor, last week they pulled back a little bit, but right now it looks like they try to find to stabilize and try to find a way to go up, like AMD, MHK. We have a couple of new names there, like MHK, right? And KLAC, okay, that's another one. Okay, KLA 10 core, they try to stabilize and put it back up. And VDA, that's another one that they found a support. And the technology software is still doing well. It's like Apple, they try to build momentum here, accumulation. They try to build up the momentum here to find a way to break out. CSGG, that's another at-home education software. They, all the students they have using this platform to study at home right now. So this one is still high demand right there. And you see that people right now, they stay home, buy house, refinance, all kind of stuff. They're using Zillow, which is a very active website right now, and the momentum is still very strong to the upside. Let's see, another one is the software they also doing very well, trying to find a way to break out. So these are just a few stocks that we show you here in our expert live trading room. Every day we analyze a lot more stocks in the real time. So when the market opens, so our member can follow along and know when to get in and when to get out to take a profit. If you are busy working person, you can subscribe to our weekly premium Wall Street watchlist, where we will handpick some of the stock and analyze it in detail, so you can see where this stock will head into. If you would like to learn more, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. We have a webinar there so that you can watch and learn some our technique before you start trading. Don't forget to click the thumb up button above for me. Again, thank you for watching and good luck, and we will see you during the week. Take care.